Welcome. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about using creatine. Whether you're new to supplements or looking to optimize your routine, understanding creatine's role can help you achieve your fitness goals. We'll break down what creatine is, how it works in the body, and the best ways to use it for maximum benefit. Let's start by uncovering the basics and setting the stage for a deeper dive into this popular supplement. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound found in small amounts in certain foods and produced by our bodies. It plays a crucial role in energy production, especially during high-intensity exercise. Most creatine in the body is stored in muscles, where it helps regenerate ATP, the primary energy currency of our cells. This makes creatine a popular supplement among athletes and fitness enthusiasts aiming to boost strength and performance. People use creatine to enhance physical performance, particularly in activities that require short bursts of intense effort, like weightlifting or sprinting. Supplementing with creatine can increase muscle stores, leading to improved strength, power, and muscle mass over time. It's also been studied for potential cognitive benefits and recovery support. Understanding these advantages can help you decide if creatine fits your personal fitness journey. There are several forms of creatine available on the market, but creatine monohydrate is the most researched and widely used. Other types include creatine ethyl ester, creatine hydrochloride, and buffered creatine. While some claim these alternatives offer better absorption or fewer side effects, scientific evidence consistently supports creatine monohydrate as safe, effective, and affordable for most users. Creatine helps your muscles produce more energy during high-intensity exercise. When you supplement with creatine, your muscles store more phosphocreatine, which is used to regenerate ATP quickly. This process allows you to perform better during short, explosive movements and recover faster between sets. Over time, this can lead to greater gains in strength and muscle mass. Creatine is suitable for a wide range of people, from athletes and bodybuilders to casual gym goers looking to improve their performance. It's especially beneficial for those involved in strength training, sprinting, or sports that require quick bursts of energy. However, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplement, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Creatine is one of the most studied supplements and is generally considered safe for healthy individuals when used as directed. Most research shows no serious side effects with recommended dosages. Some people may experience mild issues like stomach discomfort or water retention. Staying hydrated and following dosage guidelines can help minimize these effects. The standard dosage for creatine is 3 to 5 grams per day. Some people choose to start with a loading phase, taking 20 grams per day, split into 4 doses for 5 to 7 days, followed by a maintenance dose. However, the loading phase isn't necessary for everyone. Consistent daily intake is key to maintaining elevated muscle creatine stores. The loading phase involves taking a higher dose of creatine for a short period to quickly saturate your muscles. Typically, this means 20 grams per day divided into 4 5-gram servings for 5 to 7 days. After the loading phase, you switch to a maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams daily. This approach can help you experience the benefits of creatine sooner, but it's not required for effectiveness. After the loading phase, or if you skip it, simply take 3 to 5 grams of creatine daily. This helps maintain elevated creatine levels in your muscles. Consistency is important. Try to take your creatine at the same time each day, whether it's before or after your workout, or even with a meal. There's ongoing debate about the best time to take creatine. Some prefer taking it before workouts for an energy boost, while others take it after to aid recovery. Research suggests the timing isn't critical. As long as you take it consistently, you'll see benefits. Choose a time that fits your routine and helps you remember to take it daily. Creatine powder is easy to mix with water, juice, or your favorite beverage. Some people add it to protein shakes or smoothies. It dissolves best in warm liquids, but you can also stir it into cold drinks. Make sure to drink the entire mixture to get the full dose. When supplementing with creatine, it's important to stay well hydrated. Creatine draws water into your muscles, which can increase your need for fluids. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day to support muscle function and reduce the risk of cramps or dehydration. Creatine is naturally found in animal products like red meat and fish. Vegetarians and vegans may have lower baseline creatine levels and could benefit even more from supplementation. Regardless of your diet, supplementing ensures your muscles have optimal creatine stores for performance and recovery. Most people tolerate creatine well, but some may experience mild side effects like bloating, stomach discomfort, or water retention. These effects are usually temporary and can be minimized by spreading out your dose and staying hydrated. If you experience persistent issues, consult a healthcare professional. There's a common misconception that creatine harms the kidneys. However, research shows that creatine is safe for healthy individuals when used as recommended. If you have pre-existing kidney issues, it's important to consult your doctor before starting creatine or any supplement. Creatine isn't just for young athletes. Older adults can also benefit from supplementation, as it may help preserve muscle mass, strength, and cognitive function. Studies suggest creatine can support healthy aging when combined with regular exercise and a balanced diet. Women can safely use creatine and experience similar benefits as men, including increased strength, muscle mass, and improved exercise performance. There's no evidence that creatine causes unwanted weight gain or masculinizing effects. It's a valuable supplement for women pursuing fitness goals. Vegetarians and vegans often have lower muscle creatine stores due to the absence of animal products in their diets. Supplementing with creatine can help bridge this gap, leading to improved strength, energy, and muscle growth. It's a simple way for plant-based eaters to support their fitness goals. Creatine is best known for its ability to enhance performance in high-intensity, short-duration activities. This includes weightlifting, sprinting, and sports that require explosive movements. Supplementing with creatine can help you push harder, lift heavier, and recover faster between sets. One of the main reasons people use creatine is to support muscle growth. By increasing your ability to perform more reps and lift heavier weights, creatine indirectly promotes muscle hypertrophy. Over time, this can lead to noticeable gains in muscle size and strength. Creatine may help speed up recovery after intense workouts. It supports the replenishment of ATP and may reduce muscle cell damage and inflammation. This means you can train more frequently and recover faster, making it easier to stick to your fitness routine. Emerging research suggests that creatine may support brain health and cognitive function. It's involved in energy production in the brain, and supplementation could help with mental fatigue, memory, and overall brain performance. While more studies are needed, the potential cognitive benefits are promising. While creatine is most effective for short, explosive activities, some evidence suggests it may also benefit endurance athletes. By supporting energy production and recovery, creatine can help endurance athletes train harder and recover faster, though the effects are less pronounced than in strength sports. Some users notice a slight increase in body weight when starting creatine. This is usually due to increased water retention in the muscles, not fat gain. The extra water helps support muscle function and growth, and the effect is temporary and harmless. Some people choose to cycle creatine, taking it for several weeks or months and then taking a break. However, research shows that continuous use is safe and effective for most people. Cycling isn't necessary unless you prefer it for personal reasons. Creatine can be safely combined with most other supplements, such as protein powder, BCAAs, or pre-workouts. There are no known negative interactions, but always check with a healthcare professional if you're taking medications or have health concerns. There's some debate about whether caffeine interferes with creatine's effectiveness. Most research suggests that moderate caffeine intake does not significantly impact creatine's benefits. If you enjoy coffee or tea, you can continue to consume them while supplementing with creatine. Alcohol can counteract some of the benefits of creatine by promoting dehydration and impairing recovery. If you choose to drink alcohol, do so in moderation and ensure you're staying hydrated to support your fitness and supplementation goals. There's no evidence that creatine negatively affects sleep. In fact, some studies suggest it may help reduce mental fatigue and support cognitive function, which could indirectly benefit sleep quality. Take your creatine at a time that fits your daily routine. Some believe that creatine causes dehydration or muscle cramps, but research does not support these claims. In fact, creatine draws water into muscles, which can actually support hydration. Just remember to drink enough fluids throughout the day. Creatine is generally safe for healthy adults, but its use in children and teenagers should be approached with caution. Most experts recommend that minors only use creatine under medical supervision, especially if they're involved in competitive sports. If you have any medical conditions, especially related to the kidneys or liver, consult your doctor before starting creatine. While it's safe for most people, those with pre-existing health issues should take extra precautions to avoid complications. Store creatine in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and moisture. Keep the container tightly sealed to prevent clumping and preserve potency. Proper storage ensures your supplement remains effective and safe to use. Creatine has a long shelf life when stored properly. Check the expiration date on the packaging and avoid using creatine that has changed color, developed an odor, or clumped excessively. Fresh creatine should be odorless and white. Choose high-quality creatine from reputable brands to ensure purity and safety. Look for products that are third-party tested and free from unnecessary additives or fillers. Quality creatine is usually odorless, tasteless, and dissolves easily in liquids. There are many myths about creatine, such as it being a steroid or causing kidney damage. In reality, creatine is a safe, natural compound with decades of research supporting its use. Understanding the facts can help you make informed decisions about supplementation. Creatine supplementation can easily fit into your daily routine, whether you take it with breakfast, before your workout, or in a post-workout shake. The most important thing is to be consistent. Find a routine that works for you and stick with it for best results. Traveling doesn't have to disrupt your creatine routine. Pack your supplement in a sealed container and bring a scoop for easy measuring. Mix it with water or juice wherever you are, and try to maintain your daily dose even when on the go. Creatine is widely used in many sports, from bodybuilding and powerlifting to football and track. It's recognized for its ability to enhance performance, strength, and recovery, making it a staple supplement for athletes at all levels. Some research suggests that creatine may aid recovery from injuries by supporting muscle repair and reducing inflammation. While it's not a substitute for medical treatment, creatine can be a helpful addition to a comprehensive recovery plan. Creatine itself doesn't cause weight loss, but it can support fat loss indirectly by helping you train harder and preserve muscle mass during a calorie deficit. Maintaining muscle is key to a healthy metabolism and effective weight management. Some studies suggest creatine may have positive effects on mental health, potentially helping with mood and cognitive function. While more research is needed, these findings add to the growing list of creatine's potential benefits beyond physical performance. Building a habit of daily creatine supplementation is simple. Set a reminder or pair it with another daily activity, like brushing your teeth or making breakfast. Consistency is the most important factor for seeing results over time. To sum up, creatine is a safe, effective, and well-researched supplement that can support strength, muscle growth, and overall performance. Use 3 to 5 grams daily, stay hydrated, and choose a routine that fits your lifestyle. Remember, consistency is key to unlocking the full benefits of creatine. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health and fitness journey.